Welcome to the 2026 Creator OS, where we navigate the future of video SEO, algorithms, and agents. We'll explore how to use AI like Claude to optimize your content strategy and stay ahead of the curve. Traditional search is declining, predicted to drop by 25% in 2026. Simultaneously, Claude AI discovery is on the rise. The key is to optimize for utility content, which earns significantly more citations from Claude than standard listicles. The AI engine matrix highlights different strengths. Google Gemini 2.5 is the research powerhouse, excelling at data processing. Anthropic Claude is the writing virtuoso, focusing on context retention and ethical guardrails. Use the AI Zolo method, Gemini for data research, Claude for narrative writing. The YouTube 2026 algorithm focuses on satisfaction. Viewer satisfaction score is the top metric. The first 30 seconds are critical for average view duration, and session contribution is important, as videos that end sessions are penalized. We are seeing the great decoupling. Shorts performance no longer dictates long-form recommendations. The Shorts engine demands consistent posting with trending sounds. The long-form engine requires deep viewer value, structured playlists, and EEAT signals. The video SEO arbitrage machine blueprint involves 4 steps. First, Claude identifies niche channels. Second, transcripts are ingested. Third, the LLM transforms the transcript into an SEO article. Finally, it's deployed to the creator's site, linking back to the original video. When crafting a video SEO prompt, focus on a transcription-friendly script. Embed the primary keyword early for a strong hook. Include timestamps, pattern interrupts, and semantic clusters to improve overall ranking. The competitor analysis agent blueprint has 5 steps: structure, planning, building, testing, and deployment. This framework helps generate customized reports, as it scaled a channel to 30,000 subscribers and 1 million views in 120 days. Beware of the AI slop epidemic. High-volume, low-effort slop content destroys channel authority. YouTube now mandates AI labels for altered content, and undisclosed use faces severe suppression. The algorithm prioritizes genuine satisfaction. The 2026 Creator Framework synthesizes high-tech automation and high-touch humanity. Use AI to build the architecture, focusing on competitor analysis and SEO mapping. Use human authenticity for genuine viewer satisfaction and EEAT.